Welcome everyone. If you are a BTech, MCA, or MTech graduate watching this, pay attention for the next few minutes. There are 45 seats in one of the most underrated UPSC exams happening on June 7, 2026. There is a UPSC post most CS graduate don't even know exist. Group A from day 1, that too 21 lakh rupees package, and the competition is 100th of what you are fighting now. And right now, most people preparing for it are using the wrong strategy. I am going to show you exactly what's going wrong, what the right approach looks like, and how you can shortcut the entire process. Here is the hard truth. The majority of aspirants who attempt this exam fail, not because they are not smart, but because they prepare like they are studying for a university exam. They pick up CLRS and Galvin and try to read everything from scratch. They have zero access to previous year questions. They completely ignore the modern topics like AI, ML, and big data that carry real weight in this paper, and they run out of time. We saw this pattern in hundreds of aspirants and we built something to fix it. There is a crash course specifically designed for this exam, structured, targeted, and fast. I'll tell you exactly what's in it in a few minutes. First, let me show you why this post is worth fighting for. This is not just any government job. Assistant Director Systems is Group A gazetted that puts you at the officer class from day one. You are posted at the Ministry of Finance, one of the most powerful departments in the government of India. Basic pay starts at 56,100 rupees, which with allowances works out to roughly 18 to 21 lakh CTC. And this is just the entry level. The progression goes all the way from Assistant Director to Principal Director. And every promotion comes with a substantial pay jump and increased responsibility. Now let me show you what you are actually walking into. The exam has two stages, a CBT of 100 marks followed by an interview. The CBT has sectional cutoffs, 50 marks for general, 45 for OBC, 40 for SC and ST. And the syllabus here is where most people freeze. 15 official topics across core computer science and cutting edge modern tech. Let's go through first of the syllabus, the core CS foundation. DSA, COA, discrete structure and graph theory, object-oriented concepts, DAR, DCN, DBMS, and operating system. That's it. Deep topics. Each one could be a semester course by itself. In our course, all of this is structured into modules 1 and 2 with targeted notes and practice questions. Now, the second half, the modern and specialized topics. AI/ML, crypto, network security, data mining, warehousing, big data, wireless network and mobile computing, IoT, high performance computing. These topics scare most aspirants because they are not in standard textbook. Our modules 3 through 5 cover every single one of these from an exam perspective, not a research perspective. Top performers in this exam share 5 habits. 1. They master previous year questions before anything else. 2. They build genuine depth in core CS, not surface level revision. 3. They take full length mocks under time condition. 4. They do sectional tests by topic to find and fix weak areas. 5. They prepare a structured interview narrative around their tech background. Now, every single one of these 5 steps is built directly into our course structure. Now, let's talk about the most common mistake we see. Aspirants pull up a reading list, CLRS for algorithm, Galvin for OS, CORDS for database, and so on. 6 textbooks, thousands of rupees, and 8 months of your life. Or you use one structured course designed for this exact exam, covering all 15 topics in 4 weeks with mocks, sectional test, and notes included. The choice isn't even close. So here it is. Assistant Director Systems Crash Course 2026. Built for one exam, engineered for results. 5 full-length mock tests, 20 plus sectional test, 100% syllabus notes. 4 weeks to the exam. This is the fastest, most targeted prep path available for June 7. Here is exactly what's inside. 5 full-length mock tests simulating the real CBT pattern, 20 plus sectional tests covering every topic individually, complete study notes, no textbook required, a performance dashboard so you can track your weak areas in real time, a doubt-solving community with mentor access, and a dedicated interview preparation module for the personality test stage. Everything in one place. Let's put it side by side. Self-study, 8 months minimum. 6 textbook to read, maybe one previous year paper available. No interview prep. Thousands of rupees in books, no structured feedback. Our course, 4 weeks, 0 textbook, 5 full mock plus 20 sectionals, Interview prep included one flat course fee, structured performance tracking from day one. The math isn't complicated. Here is your bonus stack and the close. The exam is June 7th, that's just weeks away. Here is everything you get when you enroll today. 5 full length mocks, 20 plus sectional tests, complete notes for all 15 topics, an interview prep module, and Telegram mentor access. The total value is 759 rupees, one price, everything included. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more technical exam strategy. The exam is June 7th, your move.